Sustainability is a big concept for most businesses. Protecting the environment and its valuable resources are more important now than ever. At the same time, most companies are still focused on achieving maximum efficiency. The problem is that two practices can sometimes be at odds with each other. To achieve the highest level of efficiency, you sometimes sacrifice sustainability. Those who focus on sustainability forget the importance of efficiency in achieving savings through energy reduction. TowerTech is the best product in achieving a balance between the two. TowerTech's modular cooling tower was designed over 20 years ago to be the most cost-efficient and environmentally friendly product, and that philosophy rings even truer today with continued product improvements. TowerTech is committed to sustainable efficiency through innovative solutions that easily adapt to a smart world. Efficient products make meaningful contributions to reducing energy consumption and environmental impact without sacrificing the value proposition for the stakeholder. TowerTech is leading the way through products that effectively bridge the gap between sustainability and energy efficiency. Companies have been chasing this for years, but figuring out how to combine them as sustainable efficiency is extremely complicated. TowerTech is manufacturing a more viable and efficient product that's cost-effective while generating a minimal carbon footprint. Moving to sustainability and providing it efficiently makes sense in a resource-constrained global economy.